Every year around this time, the rumors about the next iPhone start getting louder, and normally most of them are just small tweaks or wishful thinking. But the leaks around the upcoming iPhone 18 lineup are starting to paint a slightly different picture. Because if the information coming out right now is accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might not look dramatically different, but it could quietly become one of the most powerful and longest-lasting iPhones Apple has ever made. And interestingly, the first big clue is something you'd probably never notice just by looking at it. According to a new leak from well-known tipster Ice Universe, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could actually be a tiny bit thicker than the model before it. The report suggests the phone will measure around 8.8 millimeters thick, compared to about 8.75 millimeters on the previous Pro Max. Now that difference sounds ridiculously small. We're talking about just 0.05 millimeters. But in the smartphone world, changes that tiny usually mean something important is happening inside the phone. And in this case, the most likely explanation is a bigger battery. Another insider known as Instant Digital previously suggested Apple could slightly increase the chassis thickness to make room for a larger battery cell. And that might push the overall weight of the device past 240 grams. If that ends up being accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become one of the heaviest iPhones Apple has released in years. But here's the thing. For a lot of people, that might actually be good news. Because weight usually means capacity, and capacity means battery life. One of the most reliable Chinese leakers, Digital Chat Station, claims Apple could be increasing the battery size to somewhere between 5,100 and 5,200 milliamp hours. That might not sound like a massive jump, especially considering the current generation is already around the 5,000 milliamp range, but even small increases can make a noticeable difference when paired with better hardware efficiency. And that's where the next upgrade becomes really interesting. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are widely expected to run on Apple's upcoming A20 Pro processor. And if the rumors are correct, this chip could be built using a brand new 2-nanometer manufacturing process. If Apple actually pulls that off this year, it would be a pretty big step forward. Smaller transistors usually mean two things: higher performance and lower power consumption. In other words, the phone becomes faster while using less battery at the same time. So when you combine a slightly larger battery with a much more efficient processor, the result could be a noticeable jump in real-world battery life. And honestly, that's one of the upgrades people care about the most. As for the display, it looks like Apple might be sticking with what already works. Current leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max will keep the same 6.9-inch screen size as the previous model, with very similar overall dimensions and design. But there was one rumored display upgrade that a lot of people were expecting, and it might not happen just yet. For months, reports suggested Apple was preparing to shrink the dynamic island by moving the Face ID sensors underneath the display. The idea was that most of the Face ID hardware would sit below the screen, which would allow Apple to reduce the size of that pill-shaped cutout at the top. It sounded like a pretty big visual change, and the rumor spread so widely that many people assumed it was almost guaranteed for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. But according to a recent update from Digital Chat Station, that upgrade may have been pushed back. The latest information suggests the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could remain exactly the same size as the one on the current generation models. The under-display Face ID system is now rumored to arrive a little later, possibly with the next wave of iPhones instead. There's no official explanation for the delay, but it's not too hard to guess why it might be happening. Moving Face ID under the display would require entirely new components, and those parts are likely pretty expensive right now. And with things like memory prices already rising across the tech industry, Apple may be trying to avoid stacking too many costly upgrades into a single generation. Instead, the company could be focusing on improvements that deliver real benefits without dramatically increasing production costs. So rather than chasing flashy design changes, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might be all about refining the fundamentals. A slightly bigger battery, a more efficient processor, and performance improvements that you actually notice during everyday use. And honestly, if those upgrades come together the way the leaks suggest, this could end up being one of those iPhone generations that feels noticeably better to live with, even if it looks almost identical on the outside. But of course, these are still early leaks, and Apple has plenty of time before anything becomes official. Things can still change between now and launch. So I'm curious what you think. If these rumors turn out to be true, would a bigger battery and a more efficient chip be enough to get you excited about the iPhone 18 Pro Max? Or are you hoping Apple brings bigger visual changes next time around? Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest leaks and upcoming tech, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.